Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. You have been hearing this voice from quite some time, I think from past 1 year, and this is the first time I am coming in front of the screen. It took me almost 1 year and lots of requests, lots of my friends, all of you were asking me to come online to introduce yourself. It's not that I am shying away from the camera. I also told you that I was a working professional and I don't want to come in front of the camera because again, etc., you know the reasons. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Prince, yes, Prince, and I am from Bangalore. I've done my BE and I've done my MBA in capital markets. I've been trading from past 8 to 10 years. Yeah, I started in 2010 real trades, and then the journey was excellent. From past 4 to 5 years, the ledgers also were excellent. You all know the difference between trading and the ledger, the difference which it makes. And from past 1 year, I have started this ATF program, a channel which was mainly concentrating for helping, guiding, and also mentoring. Okay, so you all have been hearing and you all have been seeing my videos from past 1 years. It was a very good journey being with you all. I'm really happy that we have reached to this 20,000 plus subscribers. Thank you all very much for subscribing to my channel. Okay, so now you might be asking me, what is the sudden change? Why am I coming in front of the screen? Friends, the reason being, I am very proud today to tell you that I am a proud owner of 30 ledgers. Now, what is this 30 ledgers? 30 people have started my mentorship program, have started taking my mentorship program because I previously told you about the turtle trades where trading can be taught. And now I started teaching it. As you all know, I already announced it almost I think 1 month back, and we started during the month of November this ATF mentorship program. It has come out excellent, friends, and I'm really happy, I'm really proud to tell that all those who have started are in profits. What we concentrate is every week we make sure we are in profit. So if every week we are in profit, every month we are in profit. That is a simple logic. Trading is very simple. And let me just tell you, there are few comments which people tell. The students who have taken my mentorship program, they tell us, sir, I never knew that trading is so simple. I never knew that making money is so simple. I never knew that money management can be done by everyone. So these are the few techniques, a few feedbacks what people have told me. And friends, trust me, I am the most happiest person as of now, because as I told you, success of one person is not sufficient for me. I have to reach a great height. I have a big mission to be done, and this is a small journey just started in the month of November. Initially, even I had a doubt that can trading be taught, can successful trading be taught to others, and now I am really satisfied because it has come out successful. Trading can be taught, it is happening, and also we can be in profits every month. That is also very simple. Now, you might ask me, what is this ATF challenge? ATF challenge is nothing but a mentorship program. It's a 30-day program. First, what I'll do is, based on your free and my free time, we fix a 1 hour trading slot. It will be through TeamViewer or by WebEx or by AnyDesk, any kind of software which I'll guide you. After that, in that 1 hour program, I'll try to basically understand what kind of person you are, what are your capacities, how much your trading experience, all that I'll come to understand. After that, I will design a small method. I'll be sticking on to a very simple strategy, because as I told you, strategy is not important. There are thousands of strategies available on YouTube and other places also, but money management and trading psychology is the most important part. I have told you in many of my videos. I don't want to repeat it again and again. So I'll be concentrating more towards money management and trading discipline in my this mentorship program. So first part, in my TeamViewer, in my 1 hour trading session, training session, it will be first simple strategy. It can be any strategy. Don't worry about the strategy. You can do it either in equity or in futures or in commodity based on your capital. Second thing, I will teach you a excellent money management technique. Friends, if you use this technique correctly, sincerely, I am promising you there is going to be no loss in your life again. You can use this money management technique anywhere. Third, I will be showing you how to trade with discipline. Daily follow the same thing, nothing else. I will teach you how to do with discipline. Okay, so after this teaching is done, all the doubts are cleared. 1 week strictly you will be under paper trade, where I will be daily guiding you, monitoring you whether you are doing your trades correctly or not. And end of the day, you have to send your screenshots, your paper trade signals, whether you are entered correctly or what's the target, your judgment is correct. All those things I will be observing for 1 week. And after 1 week, if I find that you're doing it correctly, perfectly, then I'll be giving approval for you to do with real cash from the second week. Again, second week, third week, I won't be letting you alone. I'll be daily back of you. I'll be monitoring you, because your profit is my profit. Your success is going to be my success, and your 30 days ledger is something which I want. Okay, so what I will do is continuously I'll be monitoring for 30 days to make sure that you are in profit. We will be concentrating week by week. Our goal is to be in profit every week, then automatically every month you will be in profit. So once after 30 days you finish your 30 days program, you have to send your ledger to me, and that ledger, if it is in profit, then only you will be getting the ATF challenge certificate which you are applying now, which you are contesting now. And also you will be getting a chance to come online, like the way how I am coming online. You can come live and give your testimony, or you can share your experience so that the whole world sees. There are 20,000 subscribers and there are n number of non-subscribers also who are seeing my videos. So you will get a chance to be famous and come in front of everyone. Okay friends, but one more thing which I want to say you, the most beauteous part is, 1 month if you are in profit, second month again you are in profit, third month again you are in profit, it becomes a habit. I would recommend minimum 6 months to continue the same thing, because it comes into your blood, it becomes a habit for you. Once 6 months you are in full profit, then you can quit your job, your 9 to 5 job or 9 to 6 job. Now please don't take this as a controversy, but I am saying you a sincere remark, a sincere observation. It has to come into your blood. This money management technique and this trading discipline has to come into your blood, and if I feel that you are doing it correctly for 6 months, then I will give you approval to quit your job. You itself will be in a situation to decide, because I am going to teach you to make money almost 10% consistently every month. So if you have a capital of how much ever you have capital, if you are earning a return of 10% every month, then you can well as compensate it to your salary. So that being second part, that is not the criteria here. Quitting the job is just a supplement, you can say, supplement, that's it. But the main intention is being successful in trading. Okay friends, so once again I would wish all of you who are successful in this mentorship program a very big success and a very good career ahead in trading. And also all those my viewers who supported me for so long, for who made me grow my channel so big, thank you all once again. I take this opportunity to come forward and thank you all. And also from now onwards it's going to be a completely different segment, completely different stories, where I'll be concentrating more towards training. I'll be concentrating more towards live tradings also, so that you'll get more confidence, and also I want to prove the fact that trading can be taught. Trading is very simple. So I'll be posting in more live tradings also. And if anything else you want me to add, or anything else feedback you have for me, please don't forget to WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Otherwise you can also put in the comments also on this video, or any other videos you can put comments on whichever particular strategy or particular topic you want me to discuss, and I will be there for you to clear the doubts, or whatever it is, any doubts, anything is there. Okay friends, so any other doubts you can always WhatsApp me, and thank you very much and have a nice day.